away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself.
Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel again. I hope you are doing well. Yeah, today's video is going to be another natural hair tutorial. I'm going to be taking you through how I created the hairstyle that you saw in this video's thumbnail. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel here, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Ade Doyin. You can just call me Doyin. Okay, so I do a lot of natural hair content on my channel, and I hope you catch up on all my other natural hair tutorials. So today's video, the first thing I'm going to be doing, obviously as you can see, is to part my hair into two sections. My hair was already stretched, like a little bit stretched. I installed some twist, and the twist was actually very old before I created this particular hairstyle. So that explains a lot, and that explains the situation of my hair. So I went ahead to just part a little part of my hair in front, just as you have seen, and then I went ahead to moisturize the back section with a leave-in spray from Cantu Beauty. I sprayed a generous amount of that all over the back section. And if you have been watching my videos, then you would know that I really do not like to use combs on my hair. I really try as much as possible to limit the use of combs on my hair, only to wash days. Okay, so after I have moisturized, I went ahead to apply just a little bit of Gorilla Snot gel around the edges, just to make sure that the edges are smooth and everything looks really neat. I mean, I wouldn't want to have any kind of coils at the edges, if you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that was the reason why I used the Gorilla Snot gel. So after I've done that, I went ahead to braid my hair into like a ponytail, just as you're seeing right now. It's really simple, yeah. And I wrapped that around because I really wanted to hide that. I really wanted this particular hairstyle to be as protective as possible. I really did not want my hands to be flying around. So I've been using this particular clip-in extensions for a while, so I just decided that I really wanted to use it to create this particular hairstyle. I would have used this I mean, I would have used my own hair to create this hairstyle because my hair is long enough to create it, but I decided that I was going to use these clip-in extensions for the purpose of for people that have shorter hair, so that they can know, or so that you can know, if you have shorter hair, that you can really create this hairstyle on your hair. Okay, so what I did was that I brushed out the curls of the clip-in extension so that it can match my own undefined curls really well. And as you can see that it's really matched it really well. Like, I mean, there's a decent level of matching between my hair and the clip-in extensions. Okay, so I went ahead to attach two clip-in extensions, I mean two tracks of clip-in extensions around the ponytail, and then I just went ahead to just put it in a ponytail again. Like, I don't know how to explain this thing. It is really simple, and it is just what you are seeing right now. I just went ahead just like that. Yeah, I just went ahead to put it in a ponytail like that, and just fluff it out. And so the next thing I did was to attach this donut whatever, I mean this bun, we call it donuts. I don't know what it's called, but I know that a lot of people call it donuts whatever around the side. So I went ahead, I attached that to the base of the ponytail, and then I used bobby pins to secure it firmly to my own hair. It's really important that you secure your your hairstyle so that it doesn't fall off. So I just parted the hair in the middle, just as you are seeing right now, and I used the clip-in extensions to cover up the, like I said it before, the donuts or the bun maker, whatever that thing is called. I just wrapped that clip-in extensions, I just wrapped it around the donuts. The donut. That's really funny to say, but yeah, the donuts. So I just wrapped it around, and I used a lot of bobby pins again to secure it in place, just to put it in place so that it doesn't fall off. And you really want to make sure that you use enough bobby pins. I mean, I used a lot of bobby pins. I used enough because you wouldn't want a situation whereby you would think that you have done your hairstyle. I mean, you would think that you are done, but just get on bike or just do any vigorous activities like shaking your head or whatever, and you just realize that your hair has fallen off, and you don't want that. You really do not want that. So you really want to secure your hair really firmly, and that was what I did. And while securing my hair with the bobby pins, I also went ahead to use my hands just to form it, because I couldn't see the back of my head. So I was just using my intuition just to form it really nicely. And then I also went ahead to use this, ouchless band just to secure everything and to make sure that everything is in place. And that's really it for the back section. Like I said, it's something that is simple. I mean, you don't need to be a hairdresser to create this hairstyle, okay? So for the front section, I went ahead to part my hair into 2 equal sections with my fingers. Like I said, I do not like to use combs on my hair. I really do not like to use combs on my hair, honestly speaking, most especially when, when my hair is not completely stretched, if that makes sense. Yeah. So I parted my hair with my own fingers into 2 sections, and then I took some clipping extensions, just a track of clipping extensions. I just attached that to the base of one of the sections, okay? And like I said earlier, the reason why I used clipping extension is just to show you, if you have short hair, that you can really do this on your hair. Like, the length of your hair does not really matter with this kind of hair, most especially if you don't have TW hair. But if your hair is just short, you can still do it, because I can do this hairstyle with just my hair and it will still be fine because I've got some length. Your baby has got some length. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can do this hairstyle if your hair is short, okay? And also, you really do not have to use clipping extensions that is this long. I mean, this is the clipping extensions that I have, and it is like 20 inches, but you really do not have to use it. If you are really not used to styling a lot of hair, you might find it difficult to handle this type of length, so you might just decide to use clipping extensions that is about 12 inches or 14 inches, okay? That should still be fine. So after I have attached the clipping extensions, I just went ahead to flat twist the front sections. I made sure that the flat twist was not too tight, but it was still firm, okay? And if you do not know how to flat twist your hair, I have a tutorial on that. The link is going to be in the description box. You might want to check that video out, okay? So I just wrapped the end of the clip of the flat twist in front. I just wrapped it around the the bun at the back, and that is it. Yeah, that's really it. It's really simple. And I brushed the edges. With some Gorilla Snot Gel just to make sure that it's neat and it's neat. Yeah, basically that's just it. So yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial. That is how I created this hairstyle. I went ahead to apply my makeup, and I mean, it's pretty nice. It's pretty decent. I feel like it's a grown woman kind of a hairstyle, most especially with this lipstick and with the accessory. I mean, I like to accessorize my hair, so I went ahead to use this bridal pins. I mean, yeah, a lot of brides use it, and I just just attached it, or I just wore it just like that. It's really simple. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed, and give me a thumbs up. It's really important, okay? And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Away, and I feel